Panel introduction. Turn on the machine and press the power button. Intake time is argon gas entry time before welding. Welding current and welding time can adjust according to the thickness of material plate. Extension time refers to argon gas out time after welding finished. Interval time corresponds continuous welding that refers to time between 2 points during welding. Spin button or parameter adjustment. Button description. Spot continuous button, light up is continuous welding model. Models can all be adjusted according to plate thickness and also can be saved the welding data. When the parameter is adjusted well, save button light it up, press the button, light off, then it is done. Cold welding, resistance welding. The light off is cold welding model, light up is resistance welding model. Interface. Install the ground clamp. Handle switch connection. When replacing the foot switch, you only need to change the connection of the foot switch. The welding cap port is connected to the wireless welding cap. Resistance welding gun connection. Case show. 7 Hearts welding demo. Five Hearts welding demo. Two Hearts welding demo. Welding wire repair. Solder mask demo.